Hello, what's the name of this kitchen instrument used for mixing things in English? Pause the video if you want to go to Google or another search to find out, or just want to write down what you think it is. The name of this in English is whisk. Whisk. And it is a kitchen instrument used to mix things. Whisk is also the verb, so we can say, I'm going to whisk the eggs. Or if it's past simple, it's regular, whisked with ed, whisked. And in continuous, it's whisking. If you don't have an electric whisker, you need to use a lot of energy. And you're whisking for maybe, 10 minutes. Bye. Kim Griffiths English.